Hello, and welcome to Roofers Coffee Shop, the award-winning place where the roofing industry meets for everything technology, information, and business. My name is Colin Sheehan, and I'm a writer and multimedia creator at the coffee shop. Today, we will be learning how to create an RCS account. First, head to RoofersCoffeeShop.com and click where it says Sign In. Once on the Sign In page, click the link that says Click here to sign up. This will take you to a sign up page where you will notice there are 3 sign up options. The first and simplest sign up option allows you to place classified ads and participate in the RCS forums. The second option is to add Week in Roofing e-news to your account. By opting into the Week in Roofing e-newsletter, you will get interesting information, great photos, and cool products sent directly to your inbox. You can opt out at any time, and you can trust RCS to respect your personal information and will never sell your email address. The third option is to sign up for the R Club. The R Club is an exclusive club for roofing contractors, and you can join for as little as $10 a month. For the simplest sign up, enter your information, click Add Week in Roofing e-news, add your company's information, and then click the I am not a robot link and sign up. After you have signed up, you will receive an activation link in your inbox. If you don't receive an activation link, be sure the email address you entered is correct, or you can resend the email activation link. Thank you for joining me today. Now you can enjoy all of the benefits of having a user account on Roofers Coffee Shop.